Welcome back to another episode here at Full Throttle. Thank you very much for tuning in on today's episode. Today we are going to be doing a full unboxing and product overview of the brand new NACS extension cable from EVDance. So a huge shout out to EVDance for sending me this product and giving me the opportunity to show you guys what it has to offer. I am here to show you what the product is all about, whether it's good or bad. So today we're going to do a full unboxing, show you all of the features it has to offer, and if you do place an order on this, this is exactly what you're going to receive. So we have the nice branding on the outside. We have the NACS. That is the type of connector. So for Tesla, that is its connector type. If you do drive a different type of electric vehicle, if it is not a Tesla, you can also purchase. They have all of the different connections that you need. And if you're not quite sure which connection you need, check out their website at EVDance.com and they'll have a full breakdown of compatibility for your vehicle on there. Now this specific thing, it does show you some of the other features it has to offer. It's a 50 amp cable, has up to 12 kilowatt charging power. It is a total 21 feet and it is IP66 rated. So again, we have some model specifications on the right hand side. We're going to go through all of those in a little bit. And of course, we just have the main branding again on the back side of the box. Moment of truth, guys. Let's get this thing opened up. All right, so we do have the product out of the main box. We do have a nice carrying case. Nice quality. It is like a padded case, nothing super high-end or anything, but exactly what you need to be able to just throw this in the back of your vehicle and have everything together in one place. We do have the EVD and EVDance branding on the front and back of the carrying case. So once we get that opened up, we're going to pull out the main cabling. Set that aside for now. That is quite heavy. We do have a user manual, and that is everything in that bag. The instructions, how to connect it, how to disconnect, after sale service. You do have a 1 year, 12-month full warranty from EVDance from the date of purchase, and of course we have the contact information there. So again, guys, check out their website evdance.com for any more information on that. Otherwise, we are good to take a look at our brand new charging cable. So very nice. They do include some different Velcro strapping, so once you coil up your cable, you can actually tidy it up and keep it nice and secure. So these are the two connectors we have. The main connection point, so this is what you're going to connect up to your level 2 charging port. So whether it's your Tesla charger on your home or at a destination charger or anything like that, these are not compatible with Tesla superchargers, so just keep that in mind. But this is going to give you huge flexibility while you're at home or at hotels or different businesses that offer you the level 2 charging. Now this is the main connection point. Like I said, it does have an actual lock on it, so when you connect it up to that other charger or the main charging unit, you can physically lock these connectors together for a nice secure connection. So very nice feature there. Now we also have a nice silicone dust protection cap for the end of that as well, and of course we do have that nice EVDance branding on there. Overall, very nice quality. Everything seems very heavy duty. These connection ports are actually rated for over 2 tons of crushing. So that means you can actually drive these over. I highly do not recommend that, but they're claiming these can withstand 5,000 pounds of force. So pretty high quality there. It is plastic connection ports, but everything does seem very high quality. So inside the connection port, you can see in our NACS port, we do have the 3 cables coming through, or connection ports. These are silver plated, pure multi-core copper strands. So it's very high quality, and you're going to not lose any of that charging power through the extension cable. That's one of the very important things, guys. So as you're charging or using this extension cable, you're not going to lose any charging power. You're still going to be receiving that full 12 kilowatt output that your level 2 charger would be providing. Now this is the connection or unit that you'd be actually plugging into the vehicle. So as you can see there, this is the female connection. This is going to be plugging directly into your Tesla. So again, guys, this is fully compatible through the Tesla lineup from your Model 3 all the way to your Cybertruck. Of course, we have our EVD and EVDance branding. Very nice, high quality, kind of a gloss black. I actually really like that feature. And on this port, we do have that silver plated copper connections. So very high quality overall. Now you might be wondering, what is really the benefit of something like this or an extension cable for your EV? It has many different benefits to it. This is the 21-foot model. You can also purchase a 40-foot model as well if you want that extended range or flexibility. I find at home charging, this is going to be a huge benefit to have the flexibility of depending where you want your vehicle placed. Depending on the size of your driveway or the size of your garage, a lot of people will either have their level 2 chargers outside of their garage mounted, or some will also mount them inside. So depending on where you have it mounted, this gives you the flexibility to actually move your car within 21 feet of that and still be able to fully charge at the full charging capacity of the 12 kilowatt per hour. So that's definitely very nice. The other benefit is when you're traveling or at a destination charger, you're going to have the flexibility if somebody's parked in one of the EV spots that is not an EV. You see that quite common. There's a big pickup truck or a gas-powered vehicle sitting in the EV charger, and those cables are not very long. You're not going to be able to charge your vehicle. You're going to whip this thing out, park within 21 feet, and still be able to charge your electric vehicle very quickly and efficiently, and while not having to be looking for a new charger to go to. So there's many different reasons why you would purchase something like this, guys, and very special for all of my subscribers. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. You do have a very special link that you can purchase this from directly through EVDance.com, and there will also be a 20% discount code down below. It's going to be up here, 20 EVD Fullthrottle.bhp. So check that out, guys. Save yourself 20% right off the bat, and they do offer free shipping as well. So you're not going to want to miss out on this opportunity. Now you might be wondering, is something like this actually safe? Right off the bat, guys, this is a very safe unit. It is 100% waterproof IP66 protection. It is also the temperature proof, like I said, wide range of temperature all the way down to those frigid freezing temperatures. It's going to stay nice and flexible. It's not going to crack or cause any concerns in that sense. It is also Fire UL certified TPE cable. I'm definitely excited to put this to the test and actually see. So be sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned so you don't miss out on that future episode coming soon. Another major safety feature this has to offer, it does have the over voltage protection. It has short circuit protection, leakage protection, and also over temperature protection built in. You want to purchase something that you know is high quality and safe to use. And with all of these safety features built in that I previously mentioned in this video, you do not have to worry with this. First impression, quite impressed with the product, but moment of truth is going to be putting this thing to the test. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you get notified on all the new episodes coming your way. And you're going to want to stay tuned for the product testing of the EVDance 50 amp extension cable. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. If so, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and leave your thoughts and comments down below. And guys, don't forget that 20% exclusive discount just for my viewers and subscribers. Check that out in the description below. Until next time, you guys know what to do. Keep red full throttle.